The first and the foremost one definition ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is a naturally occurring substance. It is a not artificial one. It is a naturally occurring substance, naturally occurring a substance which has a definite, which has both the physical and a chemical composition, or I can say definite irutte, which has a definite, the physical and a chemical composition. Sir, innu heli antandre which has a definite atomic number also, atomic structure also, atomic number, atomic structure, but astella depth beda, but this is more than sufficient. This is more than sufficient. The minerals is nothing but a naturally occurring substances. I'm not saying organic, inorganic. It can be both. Naturally occurring substances which are found in our earth, which has a definite, it is not indefinite, definite structure, definite physical composition, definite chemical composition. Definite a chemical composition, we call it as our minerals. Now the second major one will be about the types of minerals. The examples, few examples. It includes iron, it includes copper, it includes aluminium, it includes magnesium, it includes petrol, coal. The minerals are being classified into two types based on composition. Based on composition of the minerals. It is classified into how many? But it is majorly classified into metallic and non-metallic. The minerals are being classified into the metallic and non-metallic sources. Metallic and non-metallic sources. Now again, what is subblueprinting? Definition examples. Now what is the definition of metallic? Which contains what? It is not iron Allah, which contains metals in their composition. Metallic is nothing but which contains metallic, you can see objects, really non-metallic. Done. This is easy one. And this metallic one has been classified it into three things. Okay, classified into two things. One is the ferrous metals. Iron andre okay, ferrous metals. Second one, the non-ferrous one. Last one is the precious metals. Done. It is classified into three things. Exactly, the ferrous one, non-ferrous, and the precious metals. Now, what do you mean by a ferrous metals? Ferrous andre no, which contains iron. Examples, iron. Hope you're getting. I'm not joking, but it's very new. Okay, which contains iron as its abundant composition. Examples includes the metals like iron. Whereas second one, non-ferrous one, which contains metals but other than iron. Examples: the copper, aluminium, the bauxite, etc. The zinc, tin. The third one is the precious metals. Again, that metals are highly valuable or highly costlier, I can say. Highly or costlier. Examples includes gold, the silver, a platinum. What about diamond? It is non-metal. Diamond bari bar dili. It is platinum, which includes gold, silver, again silver kuda baralla illi, okay, because it's not costlier. And it is not diamond. Diamond is not a metallic, you can say, objects. Metallic objects. Non-metallic one, it is classified into non-metallic one, it is classified it into organic and inorganic. Organic and inorganic, organic and inorganic and non-metals. Now what do you mean by organic and what do you mean by inorganic? The non-metals which have been formed via organic sources. Organic is nothing but a living organisms. From the living organisms, after the death and decay, we call it as organic sources. Yes or no? Obviously it will undergo a fossilization. Fossilization leads to the first and the foremost one is the formation of our coal, and this coal obviously leads to the petrol, a diesel, obviously leads to petrol, obviously diesel, obviously shale, or I can say as simple as that, the fuel minerals are being formed. The minerals are being formed. Next one, it is our inorganic sources. Inorganic andre it is not formed via organic sources, rather via our natural sources. Examples, the different metals. It includes soil, as simple as that. It includes a soil, a limestone, which includes the sulfur rocks, a limestone, etc. Okay, all examples minerals, obviously, yes. Which includes iron, which includes copper, aluminium, a bauxite. Third one, platinum, a gold, a silver. Can I say organically coal? Can I say petrol? Can I say diamond? Obviously diamond also. Coal na just intensify madidru, obviously it will convert into diamond. Next one, it's about limestone, it's about sulfuric rocks or sulfuric acid. Exactly. It includes mica, it includes limestone. Done. And the last one or the next one, with respect to our minerals, it is the different salient features. Exactly. The first and foremost, it is naturally occurring. It is not artificially created, whereas it is a natural one. Definition. Second one, which has a definite structure. Can I say second one, which has a definite structure, definite color, definite chemical composition, a definite hardness, definite solubility. Can I say the raw salt is also mineral? It is the salt, again minerals. Done. Next one, which has definite, can I put it in a single bracket called as a definite, the physical composition. Bracket, it is nothing but which has a definite, definite physical composition, definite, the physical properties or the physical composition. These are the second major important one. Third one, it is 98%. Or can I say, where is the location or what is the location of this minerals? Again, beneath the earth crust. Whereas rich minerals in our crust, minerals which are present in our crust. We have a number of minerals, and out of this minerals, 98% of the crustal minerals, 98% of our crustal minerals belongs to only 8, you can say, minerals. 8 minerals constitutes 98% of distribution of minerals in the earth crust. In the earth crust, which includes titanium, which includes hydrogen, which includes nitrogen, which includes carbon, which includes a carbon, nickel, a phosphorus, and other minerals, which include titanium, new cell. ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಬರೆಸ್ತಿರೋದು. Titanium, which includes a phosphorus, which includes nickel, which includes nitrogen, which includes sulfur, which includes carbon, which includes manganese. Okay, all these are different cycles. All these are different cycles. Sulfur cycle, carbon cycle, hydrogen cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle. Yes, this 8 minerals constitutes the 98% of distribution of minerals. The distribution of minerals which are found in our earth crust. Done. Majorly, the part section, the part A, it is our minerals that we have discussed about the definition. It is a naturally occurring substances which has a definite physical properties and a chemical composition. Physical properties and chemical composition which has different color, different, you can say, a thickness, different hardness, different solubility, etc. First one. Second one, which has a different chemical composition based on atomic structure, atoms, organization, etc. Yes. Second one here is the examples, or I can say composition or classification. Classification of minerals. Classification of minerals are classified into two things. Again, composition is nothing but again same classification, alva. Or I can say classification. It's of metallic and non-metallic based on composition. Based on composition is of two types. One is metallic and non-metallic. Again, metallically 3 things. Again, non-metallic 2 things. Metallic, it is of ferrous, non-ferrous, and precious. Whereas non-metallic one, it is classified into 2 things. One is organically formed and inorganically formed. Inorganically formed one. Ili metallic one, a ferrous, non-ferrous, as well as a precious. Examples: iron, the copper, aluminium, bauxite, followed by the precious metals, which includes the gold, which includes platinum, etc. Whereas with respect to non-metallic one, it is again classified into 2 things. One is our organic sources and our inorganic creation. Organically, it is nothing but by the creation of the living organisms after the death and decay. After the death and decay, examples include the coal. Examples includes our shale gas. Examples includes our, you can say, different fuel minerals like petrol, like kerosene, like diesel, crude oil, etc. The next one, inorganic sources which has not been created by the death and decay of living organisms, rather via a natural phenomenon. Done. This is about the third one or second one. The last one is the salient features about the distribution or the salient features about the minerals. The first and foremost one, it's a naturally occurring substance. Second one, which has a definite physical properties, the chemical composition. The third one, it is the crust. Uniqueness, I can see the crust contains 98% of minerals has been contained by only this 8 minerals, which includes